In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and redo or unreconcile in Xero. If you've ever matched a bank statement line to the wrong invoice, used the wrong account code, or had a bank rule apply incorrectly, don't worry. Xero makes it easy to undo that reconciliation and fix it properly. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening Xero and heading to the bank account you're working on. From the bank account tile or page, click Reconcile. This takes you to the area where Xero matches your bank statement lines to your transactions. We're not going to redo the match here just yet. We first need to undo the existing one, so the statement line comes back to this Reconcile screen. Next, switch to Account Transactions for that same bank account. This view shows the history of transactions already reconciled, along with their details. If you have lots of activity, use the search box or adjust the date range to find the exact transaction you want to fix. Make sure you're looking at the correct bank account and the correct date so you don't undo the wrong item. Once you found the reconciled transaction, select the checkbox next to it. This tells Xero which transaction you intend to unreconcile. Take a moment to confirm the amount, date, and reference so you're confident you've picked the right one. With the item selected, click Remove and Redo. This is Xero's safe way to reverse a reconciliation. Here's what happens behind the scenes. The link between the bank statement line and the accounting transaction is removed, and the statement line is sent back to the reconcile screen. If the reconciliation that originally created a spend money or receive money transaction, that transaction is removed. If it was matched to an existing invoice or bill, the invoice or bill is not deleted. It simply returns to its unpaid or awaiting payment status, ready to be matched correctly. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Yes. Xero will immediately unreconcile the item. You can now return to the reconcile screen where you'll see that bank statement line waiting to be matched again. This time, choose the correct contact, account code, or document, or adjust any splits so the reconciliation reflects the real-world transaction. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Double check amounts and tax settings before reconciling again to avoid repeating the error. And keep notes in the reference field if a transaction is unusual so it's easier to identify later. And that's it. Remove and redo in Xero, done the right way.